In this video, we're going to illustrate how to create a maintenance request for facilities using the FMX request system. The FMX system is web-based and linked to your Active Directory account here at the college, so it'll be easy to log into. From your web browser, navigate to massbay.gofmx.com. You'll click on the button that says Submit a Maintenance Request. Here you're going to enter your MassBay email address and password, and click Sign In. And here you are at the Maintenance Requests page. To create a new maintenance request, click on the New Request button. Fill out the form. Request type is a drop-down list, and you can choose from any of the numerous items on here. If you don't see one that's as specific as you need it to be, you can simply click on Other. In the request line, type a simple one-line message as to the nature of your requests. For building, use the drop-down list to select which building you are making reference to. Use the drop-down list under location to narrow down the location in the building. And then type in an exact location. And then you can choose to include an attachment or a photo. If you're going to, choose Yes, and then you can add your attachment here by clicking on this paperclip, select the image, and click Open. And once you complete, click on Submit. You'll see that the request gets logged. It'll tell you the date and time it was opened. Shortly after submitting your request, you'll receive a confirmation email with a link to track the status of your request. Anytime the request is modified by you or facilities, you will receive an email notice of that as well. Thank you for watching.